Hey guys, my name's T. Evans at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Bennington 23 LXSR. It's black and tan with tan accent. This is the quad bench seating. It's got bamboo flooring, tan. Got forward seating on both sides, of course. Removable table in the center. Storage up under all your seats. Nice large console on the LX series. Co-captain's chair, side entry gate. This one does have the 7-inch Simrad, the Rockford PMX2 upgrade. This boat in particular is powered with a Yamaha 150. More video here at the back. This one does have the bow gate seat option. That seat right there in the center can be placed up front in the center or on the side gate in front of the co-captain's chair right there. Again, this is a 2022 Bennington 23 LXSR, quad bench seating, captain chair, co-captain's chair, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.